Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, share us your experience with this strategy, and you can also join my telegram group for free indicator and updates on how boom and crash really works every day. So in this video I'm going to explain how to use this particular strategy to take up your trade every day. So you can use this indicator to catch up a spike, and you can also use this to take a buy entry on crash 300 and boom 300. So I've already released a video on boom 1000 and boom 500, and I've released a video on crash 1000 and crash 500, but this video is only based on crash 300 and boom 300 on 5 minute time frames. So I will advise you to take this particular trade on 5 minute time frames, and I'm using the last zoom level. So how do you use this particular trade the indicator to take up your trade? So I said you have a two-way for you to identify each zone. The first zone that you have to identify is the positive, which is the positive ordering here, and we have the negative of 1002 that you need to focus more into. So any trade that fall between this particular entry now, you are not taking it, because it is not safe for you. So you only take a trade when you have an entry below the ordering, and when you have an entry above the positive ordering. So what do you really consign in this strategy? So you consign when your moving average of 10 and moving average of 200, when they cross each other like what happened here, that is when you are going to enter to catch up your spike. And as you can see now, a spike happen, it respect that level, and you are really catching up your spike. You see now the same thing is happening currently on the market now. You see there's going to be there's a cross already now. So what is happening now is that the level is going to respect this level, and take up a buy entry for long period of time. So you can easily exist when your moving average reach above the negative ordering. That may be your first stop profit, and if you wish to leave the trade, so you can also leave it to reach your positive ordering. So it depends on your capital and how you do plan to trade every day. So you see now we have a confirmed entry at this particular moment, and as you can see the market now is really respect that level. So let's look for more. So you only trade when you have an accurate trade above the positive ordering. You see that particular zone. So when you check it here, you find yourself around this zone, and you can easily catch up down your you can easily catch down your spike. So you only trade when it is above negative ordering like this. You see that zone. So when you check that zone, you fall in this particular aspect too. So you take up your trade, and so let's see what is happening on boom 300. The same principle is what you are going to be using on boom 300. Don't worry, watch this video to the end. I will show you the settings of this indicator like the way I always provided in the previous video. So what you need to check is to look for your accurate below the negative aspect. So when you check it, you see the negative respect this particular zone, and when you take it up, then you begin to catch up your spike, and very soon now this trade is going to keep on spiking to respect that particular level. So when you keep on checking, you keep on checking, you see this is another confirmation entry at this level. You see the confirmation is confirmed that the two moving which cross each other at this particular time, and what really happened is going to start rocket down like at this zone. So you respect that particular zone very well. So let me show you the settings of this indicator. If you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. So I have the first moving average on my main chart. So I have the period of 14. I have my methods to be simple. I have applied to be typical price, and I have my style to be in blue color. Then you press on done. So on my window one, I have the commodity channel index in the period of 14. I have applied to be this, and I have my style to be in green color. So you can also choose any color of your choice. So we have the level here where we have the negative 100, we have the positive O, we have the 192, we have negative 292, we have the negative 290, we have the positive 190. So with that, you can easily have your setup. So you press on done. So I have my first moving average, which is the period of 10. I have my methods to be to be exponential. I have applied to close. I have my style to be in blue color. So you also can choose any color of your choice. Just click on the color and it's going to bring out different color for you. So you just choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then I have the last moving average. My last moving average is in the period of 200, and I have my period to be simple. Apply to close, and you choose any color of your choice. So by doing this, you have the same settings on your chart. So don't forget, you only trade when you have your trade above the positive level, and you only trade when you have your trade below the positive level. So thanks.